Welcome to Fundamentals of Graphic Design. I'm Mrs. Kimple, a content creator. In this course, you will gain an understanding of graphic design principles and elements, as well as learn the basics of Adobe's Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You will master color, contrast, alignment, balance, shape, rule of thirds, and more. Then you will take your skills and craft projects like social media graphics, minimalist posters, logos, a menu, magazine covers, and more. And lastly, you will design a portfolio as your final project, featuring work from throughout the term. You will chronologically watch videos, read articles, practice tutorials, and then create your own projects. This is a 14-week crash course to know the basics of graphic design and to jumpstart your potential interest in designing as a career. So let's get creative.